The Golf R and Golf R variant are on the starting line. Volkswagen presents the two new top-of-the-range Golf models in a world premiere. They come with optimized driving dynamics, exclusive standard equipment, and an output of 245 kW. The new maximum output has increased by 10 kW compared with the predecessors of these models. The top speed of 250 km/h can be boosted by another 20 km/h to 270 km/h with the optional R Performance package. This makes these two Golf R versions the world's fastest Volkswagen production models, alongside the Arteon R shooting brake. Pre-sales start on 3rd July in Germany. The Golf R will be available from $53,795 and from $55,965 as an estate. An additional option, the Golf R Black Edition, an exclusive all-black model available from $58,440.